Now let's learn about how to check spelling and grammar. Word has a built-in dictionary and a set of grammatical rules to check the spellings and grammar of the text document. Misspelled words are displayed with a red navy line beneath them. Grammatical errors are indicated with a green wavy line. The spell check starts from the position of the cursor and checks the complete document. A simple way to check the spelling of any word is as follows. Right-click on the word with a red wavy line. Select the correct spelling from the shortcut menu. The incorrect word will be replaced with the correct spelling. Okay, let us understand how to use thesaurus. Thesaurus helps to improve your vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms, words with similar meaning, and antonyms, words with opposite meaning for any word. Follow these steps to use thesaurus in MS Word. Select the word for which you want to find synonyms or antonyms. Click the Review tab. Point to the proofing group and then select Thesaurus command. The Research task pane opens, displaying the synonyms and antonyms. Move the mouse pointer to the suitable word. Click on the drop-down button and select the Insert option. The existing word will be replaced with the new word. Students note that autocorrect option in spelling and grammar dialog box automatically corrects spelling as you type without any need to confirm each correction.